Hi there. I am Kate with Hickory Shows, and I today want to show you how you can update your floor plan profile and to really enhance your listing and give more value to any of the people who are attending the show and give more value for your business. So, for the example today that we're going to be using, this is our floor plan from the Hickory Christmas Show, and I have a little booth over here for Winning Edge Studio. That is my website design company. So I thought I would be a great little example just to show you in an example booth. So if you don't have your auto login link, you'll want to check your email for that when you sign up for the show, or if you need that, you can certainly reach out to us at office at Hickory Shows. Now, here, when we click on that auto login link, then we're going to be led to this page right here. Actually, it's going to look like this, right? And then we want to click on edit profile. And I just want to go through these different sections here. So we've got Winning Edge Studio. And then the categories, you really want to take a minute and pick out up to 3 categories for the items that you sell. And I'm just picking a few right here just for an example. And the reason why is I want to show you over here on this floor plan is that attendees will be able to search by category. Over here in the search, let's say they want to look and see who offers candles. Then it highlights all of the companies that offer candles and it shows them right on the floor plan. So if a person's shopping for candles, they know which of those they can go to. So it is important to go ahead and add your categories. For your company description, I'm going to just go over to our website here and I'm just going to grab a couple sentences here, and I'm just going to copy and paste that into here just like that. Now, all of the address information is in here. And then now I can add the website and social media. I've got them in another screen over here, and I'm just going to copy and paste a couple of these in here so you can see an example of that. Then the next section down here we go, I'm going to add the Facebook. The next section, we've got contact information, and now we can add a logo. So in here, I can go into my, I've got a little folder over here, and I can just drag and drop that right in there. Well, and I think this one already has it in there, but I'm going to trash that one. There we go. And that's what it should look like. And I'm going to drag that in here, just like that. Now I can, for a video, I actually have a video up in this other tab, and I'm going to grab that link right here and drop it in here. And then for a gallery, if I want to add some pictures here as well, I've got this folder here and I can add those right inside of there. Or a leading image on the top of the profile, I can add, maybe I want to put in the logo at the top of there, or I could have a picture, kind of whatever I want to do there. And then for any marketing materials, maybe something people want to download. And then maybe I want to say, hey, visit our website. And so I want to put in a little button right there. So it can add a button. So visit website. And then here again, I'm going to add a link to the website and just drop that in there. Just Control C, Control V, and click on Save Changes. Now it takes a minute to update that, but that's okay. And over on the Hickory Christmas Show, I just want to show you an example or two. You can see with some of these folks that their logo is showing up on their booth. A really good one right here is an Old North State candy. I'm really impressed with that. I like how you can see the booth and what category they're in, a nice little description of their business, as well as a YouTube video. It just makes you want to watch it and watch how they make candy. And then here we've got a nice image right here. They've done a good job. I know my face is in the way in this little video, but down on the bottom, we can see that we've got the contact information, and then there's a button down here. Sorry that is hidden in this video. So that is how you are able to update your profile and really make things look nice and give lots of information for the attendees of any of our shows. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us, office@hickoryshows.com, and we'll look forward to seeing you at a show.